In this complete guide, you'll learn exactly how to add a text block to a page in Softr. Text blocks are the backbone of any clear communication inside your web application, whether you're building a landing page, a help center, or an internal tool for your team. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, log into your Softr account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a clean left-hand sidebar. The very first thing you want to do is click on Applications from that sidebar. This will bring up a list of all the applications you have created or that you have access to. Take a moment to scan through that list and open the specific application you want to edit. Just click on its name or the edit icon next to it, and it will load the builder interface for that project. Once you're inside the builder, the next step is to navigate to the Pages section. You'll find this option in the left sidebar as well, usually listed just below Applications. Click on Pages and you'll see a list of every page that currently exists inside your application. This includes things like your home page, about page, blog posts, or any custom pages you have created. Now find the exact page where you want to add your text block and click on it to open it in the visual editor. This is where you'll be doing all of your layout and content work. With the page open, you need to decide where the text block will go. The Softr builder works on a block-based system, meaning your page is made up of different blocks stacked vertically or arranged in sections. Hover your mouse over the area where you want to insert a new block. You'll notice that when you hover over an existing block or section, a small plus button appears, usually at the top, bottom, or between two blocks. Click that plus button to add something new. This opens up the block selection panel on the right side of your screen, which is your menu of every component you can add to the page. Now you're looking at the block categories in the right panel. Softr organizes its blocks into categories like layout, content, data, and others. Since you want to add text, you can either scroll down and look for the content category, or you can use the search bar at the top of the panel. Typing the word text into that search bar is the fastest way to filter down your options. It will instantly show you the text block, along with any other text-related elements. Go ahead and select the text block you want to use. When you click on it, it will be inserted directly into your page at the spot where you clicked the plus button. You can always move it later by dragging it up or down, but for now, it's right where you intended. Once the text block is on your page, you'll see a simple editor appear. The first thing you want to do is enter your heading. This is the title that will sit at the top of your text section. Click inside the heading field and type something clear and descriptive. For example, if you're writing a welcome message for your users, your heading might be "Welcome to our platform." Below the heading, you'll find the body text field. This is where you can type paragraphs, instructions, or any longer form content. You can paste text from another document or type directly. The body text editor is quite flexible and supports standard formatting, so you have a lot of control over how your content looks. Now let's talk about customization. After you've entered your heading and body text, you'll notice formatting options in the toolbar at the top of the text block editor. You can change the font size, make text bold or italic, add bullet points, create numbered lists, or even change the text color and alignment. This is where you can really make your text match the style of your application. A best practice here is to keep your font sizes consistent. If you use a large heading style on one page, try to use the same style on every other page. This consistency builds trust with your audience and makes your application feel professional and polished. Also, avoid using too many different colors in one text block. Stick to one or two colors for emphasis, like using a brand color for your heading and a neutral dark color for your body text. One common pitfall beginners run into is overcrowding the text block. You might be tempted to put everything you want to say into one single block, but Softr allows you to add multiple text blocks to a single page. Instead of writing one massive paragraph, break your content into smaller digestible sections. Use headings to organize your content and separate different topics. This makes it much easier for your visitors to scan the page and find what they need. For example, if you're writing a help article, you could have one text block for the introduction, another for step 1, and another for step 2. This layered approach is much more user-friendly. Another important tip is to preview your page before publishing. At the top right of the Softr builder, you'll see a preview button, often represented by an eye icon or the word preview. Click it to see exactly how your page will look to your visitors. This is crucial because the editor view can sometimes look a little different from the live view, especially regarding spacing and alignment. While previewing, read your text out loud or at least carefully scan it. Check for any typos, broken formatting, or areas where the text might be too long or too short. You can also check how it looks on mobile by toggling the device view in the preview mode. If something doesn't look right, go back to the editor, make your adjustments, and preview again. Before you wrap up, take a moment to look at the overall flow of your page. Does the text block fit naturally between the blocks above and below it? Does it add value to the page, or is it just taking up space? Remember, text blocks are powerful because they communicate important information, but they should also be concise. Keep your language clear and direct. Avoid jargon unless your audience is familiar with it, and always break long paragraphs into smaller sections with white space between them. This breathing room makes your content much easier to read. You have now successfully added a text block to your Softr page and customized it with your own content. You've learned not just how to insert it, but also how to format it, organize it, and preview it to ensure everything looks perfect. This skill will serve you in almost every application you build, from simple landing pages to complex internal tools. As a next step, try adding multiple text blocks to the same page and practice using different heading levels to create a clear hierarchy. You can also experiment with combining text blocks with image blocks or button blocks to create more engaging sections. If you ever need a refresher, feel free to come back to this video or save it for later. Thanks for watching and happy building.